Paano po pag may mga gap, 2 years office-based, then nag-stop for 2 years, then freelance for 2 years, vacant for 6 months, then planning to go back sa freelance ulit. Kung meron ka na pong BIR registration before as a freelancer, dapat po fina-file mo pa rin ito with or without income. Dahil kung hindi, magkakaroon po yon ng penalty. Pero kung hindi ka pa naman nakapag-register as a freelancer kay BIR, at balak mo nang mag-comply ngayon, pwede ka naman mag-register as a new freelancer this year 2025.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.